Hello, and thank you for joining me for this review of the Eafengrow EF80 folding pocket knife. This EF80 is not an extremely popular Eafengrow because there's not a lot of information about it on the internet, but it is of liking to me because it is a nice mid-size piece that carries very well in my pocket, hides away, has an overall length of 7 inches with a closed length of 4.1 inches with a blade length of 2.9 inches. So that under 3-inch blade length would make it legal in many countries or states that have blade length limits. It has a blade material of 9CR 18 MOV. Very nice satin finish on the blade. Has G10 handle material, nicely sculptured with lightly textured. That fits my large to extra large hand well. I can get my little finger around the butt of the handle. Has very heavy jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade that makes it very nice. I like that. Flipper tab opening with the IKBS ball bearing system. Opens very nicely. Has a drop point blade design with a hollow grind, satin finish, plain edge. There's a small sharpening choil. The stainless steel liner and liner lock, which works very nice. It's a tip-up carry design with a right hand only placement of the stainless steel carrying clip that fits fairly deep in the pocket. It's going to leave some real estate showing. The blade centering is almost perfect, or I would say perfect in this sample. Blue anodized spacer in the handle, looks nice. The small lanyard hole in that spacer. Knife comes in at a 3.7 ounce weight. So it has a little meat to it for its size. There's no jimping on the flipper tab of the knife, which has caused me to slip off from the flipper tab a couple of times. I might take a Dremel and just put a couple of small depressions in there. Overall, it's a nice little piece. So there we go, everybody. It is the Eafengrow EF80 folding pocket knife. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.